Old Bullion Dealer says, stack silver, get to this point, then quit. I had a conversation with a local dealer here that I visit today, and he was telling me the biggest difference between new stackers and people that have been in this game for decades is that they have no plan. New stackers want to just jump in, they want to get a return on their investment, and if they don't see it, they're out. First, of course, you can't look at silver as an investment. You can't. It's swapping out your fiat currency for a precious metal is something that we call stacking now, but it's been going on forever. People have always understood that fiat currency inherently loses value. And they've swapped it out for silver, they swapped it for gold forever. We just call it silver stacking now. It's never been seen as an investment. It just so happens that now, the past few decades, you can see a real return. You could certainly see 5x, 7, 10x increase in your holdings, but it's not seen as a investment. Now, according to this dealer that I was talking to, and this guy, I call him the old bullion dealer because he is old. He's got one foot out the door. He really feels that way, that new stackers just have no plan. And what I asked him when he said that was, well, what would be something that is simple to grasp, understand? What's a plan that a new stacker would be interested in? They could understand it. And he said, a monster box. Now, before your jaw drops, just know that the idea is not to dump a sum of your savings into a monster box. It's to accumulate that much silver. A monster box is 500 ounces. These happen to be 2-ounce silver coins that I'm showing you, but 500 single ounce. So it's about 25 tubes of silver and 500. So you get into that, you eventually accumulate enough to have that much silver, put it aside, let it collect dust, don't think about it, and you just see as time does its work and the value of this metal continues to increase as it always does over time, steady and slow, and you're always happy. So I thought that was a great number to look at and something tangible that if you're patient and you really put the time in, you certainly can get it. Well, get some silver yourself. Click that link I just put in the description down there. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they have a contest. They give away 20 American Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles. It's a fun contest. Click that link down there. Last month there was a winner in California, Brett in California. So be that winner and take home that silver.